Here are the chrome rear wheel covers for the Harley Davidson OEM style knuckles, or the 28 spoke rim rear wheel. These covers are made from the same durable ABS plastic as our frame covers. We're selling them for $239. Easy to put on for any do-it-yourselfer. This is the brake rotor side. Brake rotor goes on top of that. Remove the brake rotor, put the cover on. Put the brake rotor back on for the drive side, the pulley. This will fit around the center hub. We suggest on the inside some clear RTV right in this area. Just a little bit to hold it on until you button the wheel up. Once you tighten the swing arm, the axle bolt, it will hold it in place. It won't move. We focused on making sure the part of the rim that you see on a bagger with extended bags is nice and shiny, nice and chromy. We can only pull the material about 3 inches before it starts to discolor, but it's very durable. Clear coat polyurethane protects the chrome finish. You never have to worry about it fading, chipping, or peeling. These will last the life of the bike. Like I said, we can pull about 3 inches before we get discoloration. This is state-of-the-art stuff here. UAV protective qualities in it. But what we really focused on was these 3 inches from the end, the lip. I want everybody to know exactly what they're getting. Once you bolt the drive pulley and the brake rotor to the rim, you really don't see 75% of the wheel. So we really focused on the part that you do see. And for a little over $200, we think this is a very good deal. We've got the 5-star Harley Davidson wheel also. We've got the 10-spoke also ready, available. We've got the 9 coming. And if you have a wheel out there that we don't offer a cover for, go to the website, chromeframecovers.com, click on Harley Davidson, see what we offer for the what covers we offer for the wheel. If you don't see your wheel on there, take a picture or find a picture of your wheel on eBay, on the website or whatever. Send us a picture, and 9 times out of 10 we can do a set of covers for you. Again, we can't see paying up to $650 plus labor, plus the time it takes to swap out a wheel, or sending yours in for exchange when you can spend $239. Spend 2 hours, put these on yourself, and give the illusion that your rear wheel is chrome. www.chromeframecovers.com. Click on Harley Davidson rear wheel. I'm sorry for this poor excuse for a video. It's just with my little old cheap cell phone. We'll have some better videos and pictures coming. There's some other pictures on the website, so take a peek. Hit us up. Let us know if you got any questions. www.chromeframecovers.com. Phone number 704-813-8811.